Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is Being Natural Space, and if you are a newbie, welcome. So on this channel we are going to teach you everything about hair. So this style we are doing here is crochet, and it is called single crochet, and each the strands of this extension is 60 strands, and we parted each hair to 60. You need to be detailed so that you will not miss out anything. So once you get an extension or a crochet extension, make sure you count them, and once you count them, you work with the number in the back of the extension. So this back of this extension will be a 60 in it, and we have to mark the hair into 60 strands. So yeah, this is the method we use. After crocheting the extension in the hair, we folded the hair inside. Then we use another extension which we call kinky. You should be familiar with that. It's a kinky we use to make twists and any other thing to wrap the hair around. So this is how we wrap the hair around. You can see you are wrapping the hair on the hair. The hair is safe, the braided hair. So you are wrapping your hair around the braided hair. You are good to go.